This was so cool. The President of Mexico, Claudia Sheinbaum. We at first heard that she was actually going to be visiting the ship. Don't know what happened, but she ended up just kind of passing by and giving us a wave. But even that was pretty special, and we got it on video. And I wanted you to notice, you could see her hat band. You could see her shoes. Our tip is how I took that. I took that video with my Samsung phone. That's it. So it has a super good telephoto. I want you to see where we were. So that photo on the left there, that's Jim on the bow of our ship. And you can barely see it. Where the arrow is pointing is the pier where her boat came. That's a ways away. I mean, you could barely see that it was a pier and a little boat that pulled up. And yet my camera was able to get that picture at about 25x. So what do I mean by that? And my tip is all of the good cameras, the phones with the multiple lenses. So there's 5 lenses on this camera, as opposed to an inexpensive old phone. There's just one lens on this. The ones that have multiple lenses, when you open the camera, you should see a 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, or something like that. This is what you see on my Samsung. It goes from 0.6, which is a super wide angle, which I love, to 1x, which is just standard, to then I jumped up to 5x. And all you do is tap the screen. So no need to put your 2 fingers on the screen and spread them to zoom in. Just tap the number of the zoom level that you want to look at. Then I could go into 10x. Notice at this point, I am seeing the people on the boats. And even beyond that, now you can pinch the screen and go even beyond 10x. And I went up to 25, looked about right. I want to show you that on the phone itself. So if I open the camera, you see the 0.6, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. Don't try to go like that. I mean, you can. So I'm right now at 2.3x as I pinched my fingers in. That's going to be using a digital zoom on the 2x lens. I'd be much better to tap on the 5 and then I know that I'm using the lens that is at that telephoto resolution. And then once I get up to 10, notice 2 more options appear. Now, they're just for ease of use. There isn't a 30x lens and a 100x lens, but it will be using the correct lens that is good enough to go to that level. So this phone can go all the way to 100x just by tapping the number on the screen. Then you can still adjust by pinch and then scroll around to get exactly where you want.